Hi, my name is Sanjay. I am from Nagar. I had done my graduation from VIT Vellore in the field of computer science engineering with business systems, and I had graduated with a percentage of 76%. And I had joined the Jspiders in August, and I had taken a course of Java full stack web development course. And in this course, the faculty for me are for core Java, Kaushik sir, and for advanced Java, Ravi sir, and for web technology, Geeta ma'am. And this course helped me a lot to gain my skills and improve my technical skills as well as communication skills. And the mocks, assessments, and the groomings and there are many groomings before an interview day. So these helped me very much to crack the company, and the aptitude of grooming also helped me a lot